Welcome to the channel, and do not forget to like and subscribe in order to not miss future videos. In this video, we'll be going over all the traffic sources that can help you crush your affiliate marketing efforts, particularly how to get free traffic for affiliate marketing. Basically, you can leverage social media, email, and forums for free traffic and reap the benefits without spending a dime on ads. 1. Facebook. Facebook is a great medium that can help you generate free traffic, but you need to go the extra mile to build out your profile. Remember, you're building your brand organically, no paid advertising. So what does this mean? It means that you need a non-business profile, a friends list filled with people interested in the niche you're working with, and consistent value-add posts to keep your audience engaged. Joining groups and posting regularly also helps a ton. Make sure that in between educational and helpful posts, you also slip in your affiliate links to send social media traffic to your landing page or a sales page. 2. Instagram. With over 1 billion users, Instagram has essentially become a virtual, visually pleasing living room. The platform presents huge potential for affiliate marketers to send traffic to affiliate offers. One of the biggest upsides of Instagram is its accuracy of showing users exactly what they want to see, but the downside is that the platform is extremely crowded, and you need to stand out with your content if you want success. This means that you can't just create an account and post lazy content and affiliate links in your bio, hoping for tons of social media traffic. Before anything else, you need to focus on creating a good profile filled with high quality and visually appealing content, engaging stories, and maybe even slip in a few giveaways as well. Make sure you keep affiliate links in your bio and promote them subtly once your audience grows. 3. TikTok. If you want to target the Gen Z audience, TikTok is arguably the best channel to reach them. Creating short but fun and informative videos can land you thousands of views in just a couple of hours. The better your content is, the more people it will reach. And don't worry, you don't need an immense following to reach thousands of people. The algorithm will do that for you. You can get quality and organic traffic from TikTok quite easily. Just make sure you establish your target audience first. Although Gen Z makes up the majority of TikTok users, you can tap into other population segments with carefully curated content, a well-defined strategy, and consistency. Just don't forget to add your promo link in your bio so users can easily reach what you're promoting. 4. Pinterest. Pinterest looks like a social media platform, but also kind of acts like a search engine. This hybrid space can supply you with high-quality traffic, and the best part is that you don't need to invest too much time to start pulling in some solid numbers. Make sure you create a couple of boards and fill them with relevant pins. Link the photos in your board to the offer you're promoting or your affiliate site, and that's about it. All you need to do now is wait patiently for some affiliate sales to roll in. The average Pinterest user navigates the platform to look for inspiration, so realistically, don't expect too many sales, but do expect a lot of high-quality traffic. To increase your chances of conversion, make sure you link to a high-quality landing page, so when the user arrives, the chances of them making a purchase are significantly increased. 5. Reddit. Reddit walks a fine line between being a forum and a social media platform. Making a name for yourself on Reddit might take some time, but the payoff is worth it when it comes to attracting high-quality traffic and customers. However, instead of flooding the platform with your promo links, start joining subreddits and adding value to the community. For example, if someone creates a thread in a fitness and health subreddit asking what are the best keto diet plans, you can respond and explain why the particular offer you happen to promote is the best, and convince them why they should give the product a try. Build trust, be helpful, and once you establish yourself as a good contributor, you can start squeezing in offers within your content. Avoid being spammy, and always read community guidelines on promotions. 6. Forums. Essentially, the same rules apply to forums as to Reddit. Provide value with your posts. Post consistently. Be helpful and friendly. Avoid spam. Post links to offers once you built some credibility. Always read community guidelines. 7. YouTube. Another great free traffic source is YouTube. Aside from paid advertisements on YouTube, you can essentially make a name for yourself on the platform by becoming a content creator. Of course, this can take time and dedication, but if you're into YouTube and enjoy creating videos, it might be one of the best channels for you to generate high-quality traffic. Post fun and interesting videos, or review videos, and mention whatever you're promoting in natural ways to make the viewer curious, rather than suspicious. This is among the best marketing strategies on YouTube. Flesh out and hype up the product you're promoting, and don't forget to add a link in the video description for convenient access. 8. Website and blog. You don't need a website or a blog to be successful in this industry. You can easily make money in affiliate marketing without a website. However, having a space where you can show a little bit of your unique personality is a plus. Running a successful blog can land you huge amounts of targeted traffic. Essentially, you can write almost anything and carefully place promo links within your content. Just make sure you choose a specific niche first, so your blog isn't all over the place dealing with topics across every industry. Also, don't shy away from including multiple affiliate links to different offers in your blog posts. Focus on interesting pieces of content, and don't forget to do top 10 listicle type of articles from now and then, where you can essentially go a little more crazy with the affiliate links. Plus, if you make your articles SEO friendly too, they can become visible on search engines and traffic is going to potentially roar. 9. Guest posts. You can take your content game further by partnering with like-minded people from the industry who run their own blogs, and write guest posts for them now and then. This opens up brand new opportunities for high-quality traffic, as well as collaboration. Plus, be open to other people writing guest posts on your blog. Collaboration is one of the key elements of affiliate marketing, so don't be afraid to network and build connections. Also, you can consider writing on platforms like Medium and leverage the traffic of an already established website. 10. Email. Email is another great free traffic source. You can build email lists and start sending personalized and value-add emails to your audience. The best part about email is you can tailor the content to your preference and include as many links as you want. Plus, you now own this data. However, keep in mind to not make your emails look and feel spammy. Your main goal with email is to provide relevant content and to try and lure your prospects to sales pages with clever hooks and great copywriting. There you have it. If you found this video of great value, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe so that you do not miss future videos.